Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and helpful. Today, I will show you how to check how much time you spend in Android apps. And it is super easy to do. Whether you are curious how long you are on social media or want to monitor app usage for productivity, this guide will walk you through step by step on your Android phone. Here is what we will cover. Step 1. Open Settings and navigate to Digital Wellbeing. Step 2. View app usage dashboard. Step 3. Inspect details for specific apps. Let us get started. Step 1. Open Settings and navigate to Digital Wellbeing. Open the Settings app, the gear icon. Scroll down and tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, or similar wording depending on your device. This will bring you to the dashboard where Android tracks your screen time and app usage. Step number 2. View app usage dashboard. In the digital well-being screen, you will see a chart or summary labeled something like screen time or your device used today. Tap on dashboard or show all apps to view a breakdown of each app and how much time you have spent using it. Here, you can see the time for each app today, unlock count, and sometimes notifications received. Step number 3. Inspect details for specific apps. From the list, tap on any app you are curious about. For example, a social media app or game. You'll get more detail, how long you use the app, maybe how many times you open it, and you might even set a timer or limit if your device supports it. This is a great way to become aware of your usage and take control if you feel like you are spending too much time. And that's it. You have successfully checked how much time you spend on apps in Android. If this video helped you out, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tutorials. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video by Wireless Solutions is made for educational and informational purposes only. All steps and settings shown are safe and publicly available features of Android and its apps. Results may vary depending on your device model and software version. Always proceed carefully and make changes at your own discretion. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.